Hi guys, this is Sunita. Welcome to your class 11, chapter 1, snapshot part 3. So let us continue. Consequently, even though I could see the horse, now as a result, I could see the horse so magnificent. It was very beautiful, wonderful it was. Even though I could smell it, so lovely smell it was. Even though I could hear it breathing, I could hear the noise of his breathing, the horse breathing. So exciting, it was very exciting. I couldn't believe the horse had anything to do with my cousin Murad or with me or any of the other member of the family, asleep or awake. Okay, means even we could not have a dream of purchasing a horse because we had no nothing to do with a horse, and moreover we were not in the situation, we were not in the position to purchase a horse. Okay, that's why we could not even dream of having a horse, because I knew my cousin Murad couldn't have bought the horse, and due to this reason I could clearly confirm, I could know that my my cousin had stolen the horse, and if he couldn't have bought it, he must have stolen it, and I refused to believe he had stolen it. But I wanted a proof that he had really stolen it, because the background of my family was insisting that the stealing can't be done in the family. So no member of the Gruglanian family could be a thief. So this was the principle of our family. I stared first at my cousin and then at the horse. I looked towards my cousin first, and then at the horse. There was a pious stillness and humor in each of them, which on the one hand delighted me and on the other frightened me. Now, I could see clear innocence on the faces of each, like on the horse face and on my cousin's face, and this on the one hand it delighted me. I was happy that I was having a horse, I had a horse to ride, and on the other hand it frightened me because it was against the principle of our family. Murad, I said, where did you steal this horse? Now I was inquiring about the horse. Leap out of the window, he said. Now he did not answer my question. In fact, he said, leap out of the window, jump out of the window if you want to ride. It was true then. Then I was sure that this was true, that he had stolen the horse. There was no question about it. He had come to invite me to ride or not as I chose. Now वो मुझे बुलाने आया था, that whether I wanted to have a ride on horse or not. Well, it seemed to me stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing something else, such as money. For all I knew, maybe it wasn't stealing at all. And in a childish manner, I tried to console myself that stealing a horse for a riding, it's not a crime, it's not a stealing. Okay, stealing means, what I was thinking about that at that time, that stealing means when we steal something for the purpose of selling it, or when we steal money, that is called stealing. So according to me, at that time it was not a stealing. Okay, so it wouldn't become stealing until we offered to sell the horse, which of course I knew we would never do, and it would not become stealing. कि चोरी नहीं बनेगी जब तक हम उस horse को बेचने के बारे में नहीं सोचेंगे. And I was sure, 100% sure that we would never do it, कि हम ऐसा कभी नहीं करेंगे. Let me put on some clothes, I said. Then I said that let me put on my clothes. मुझे अपने कपड़े पहने दो. All right, he said, but hurry up. I leaped into my clothes, means hurriedly, very quickly I put on my clothes. मैंने अपने कपड़े पहने. I jumped down to the yard from the window and leaped up onto the horse behind my cousin Murad. I jumped down to the yard means out of this window. Here is a yard means a place, a ground of any of the building. From this window I jumped here in the yard and behind on the horse behind my cousin. Okay, so That year we lived at the edge of the town, means outside of the town. We were living outside of the town, this outer area of the town. We were living in the outer area, on Walnut Avenue. Avenue means a street. Okay, this is the name of the uh, street. Behind our house was the country. Okay, means the rural area. You can say that the yards and the gardens and all, means no kind of town was behind us. Vineyards, orchards. Vineyard means a garden of wine means this grapes. And orchards means a place of a place where plants are planted, means a kind of you can say bag. Okay, irrigation ditches you might have seen, हमारे खेतों के साइड में जो नाले होते हैं ना, जिससे हम इरिगेशन करते हैं अपने फील्ड्स की, तो दोज आर कॉल्ड इरिगेशन ditches. And country roads, you can just understand that roads which are not completely made, that the kacha roads or temporary roads. Okay, in less than 3 minutes we were on Olive Avenue. And where we were in less than 3 minutes we were on Olive Avenue. Now we had reached in another street, and then the horse began to trot. Trot means when the horse start feed हल्के हल्के भागता हुआ देखा होगा आप लोगों ने घोड़ा, so that is kind of trot. The air was new nothing, means something new air was has been introduced here. New means the air was fresh. Okay, because it was a morning time, very very early morning time, and lovely to breathe. The feel of the horse running was wonderful, and when the horse was running and we were sitting on horse, it was making us giving us a feel of wonderful feeling. Okay, my cousin Morad, who was considered one of the craziest member of our family, began to sing. Okay, now Morad started to sing. In fact, I mean, he began to roar, because his voice was not so good. So when he started to sing, I considered that he was roaring. So for that, thank you, have a nice day, and we'll continue in the next video.